my first conference in 2018. It was October 2018. I was about 6 months old in the business, so I knew nothing, right? I knew nothing about what's happening. I came, I was excited, and I remember we had, at the time, our tables were not round. It was like, boardroom style. I was sitting right around this area. I will never forget. Just sitting, just taking in everything, and all of a sudden, my name gets called out by our CEO.
Wow.
Ifraah, come on up. Oh my God, I almost froze. I'm like, my goodness, what did I do, right? I mean, why am I being called here? And I was asked a few questions. And the first question I was asked was just, when did you start with us? What do you do for a living? At the time, as my sister mentioned, I was working for the government of Canada. And he asked me a question that I was not prepared to answer yet, even though I knew in my heart what my answer would be. He asked me cocktail. When I started my Oculus opportunity, I wrote down on a piece of paper, in the next year to two, I was going to quit my government job. It didn't matter what it took, right? But guess what? I never shared it with anyone. So now, in front of everybody, I'm being asked, what is your target for the next year to two? Guess what? I found every courage I could, and I shared on that stage. It was the first time I shared it out loud. Right. Guess what happened the next day? I started sharing with everyone. Yes, I couldn't stop sharing with everyone, including my taxi drivers, Uber drivers, everybody that I see. Why am I sharing this story with you tonight? Not to impress you. I want to leave you with an advice, a quick advice, okay? So as you listen through what is happening tonight, if anything sticks for you, write it down, right? If you see a dream, maybe this is what's going to help me build my home. This is what's going to help me retire. Leave a legacy, whatever it is, and guess what? Do not leave this